Hi, I'd like to demonstrate how to use our brand new Nourish Probiotic Eye Cream. Simply after you've washed your face, applied your day cream, take one pump, little pump, and apply it to your eye area by lightly tapping in and around your eye until the moisture is absorbed in. You always want to be extra gentle with that eye area because it is such a thin, delicate area. But you can also feel really good about using our Nourish Eye Cream because not only do we have the sea kelp, snow mushroom, and the goat milk kefir in it, we've also added 3 really fantastic ingredients that help reduce the fine lines as well as the appearance of the dark circles and puffiness if you suffer from that. So really it's a multi-purpose eye cream that goes a long ways. So I hope you enjoyed that.